Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another resin earring tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful resin earring. Previously I have shown how to make resin earring with the glitter and drawing a small flower with metallic pen, but this time I have added some pigment to this and made this beautiful resin earring. You need resin. This is UV resin. This doesn't require any hardener. It dries with the UV light. And you need a small silicone container like this to mix your resin and pigment together. You can mix them inside the mold, but the result won't be neat as this one. So it's always better to use the small container to mix the color and resin. And you need a stick to mix the resin and color together and to spread the resin inside the mold. I'm going to use this pigment. This is translucent and heavily concentrated. I will leave the purchase link for this particular product in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. I will use this black and white color, same as I used for these earrings. So let's get started with the tutorial. It's always a precautionary to wear gloves when you are working with the resin, and it makes it more important to wear gloves when you are working with the pigments, because it gets more messier. This silicone mold is very easy to make any jewelries because the molds comes with the pairs. Unlike this mold, it has only one mold for the jewelry. It is best for the pendants, keychains, etc. Or if you need the same shape for the jewelry, you can cure it twice. I'm using these molds. The main thing you have to keep in your mind while working with the pigments and resin alone, if you're using it, will cure very fast because it doesn't have any color in it, or it is not opaque, it is translucent. It will cure very fast with the UV light. But when you're using pigment with it, if you are taking a little bit more pigment, it won't cure. So you have to be very careful when you are mixing the pigment with the UV resin. It should be as small as a drop. Now I'm making black pigment for the part of my earring, so I will take as much as resin I want for both earrings now. For this amount of resin, I'm going to add a small drop of black pigment. That will be more than enough. UV light doesn't penetrate when the pigment is very dark. So it's better to add a thin layer of resin once at a time, so that you can cure step by step. If you need it thicker, you can add second layer, you can add third layer, but don't make it thick in the first step. This is enough. Now let's clean the leftover resin from the container. Let's make white pigmented resin now. Pour it carefully. Now let's spread them. You don't have to keep it exactly divided. You can drag the color. If you're happy with the way it looks, you can start to cure it. Cure it each 3 times and the underneath also each 3 times. Now these are cured from both sides. You can remove them from the mold and coat it with the clear resin, or if you want you can keep them inside the mold and coat it with the clear resin. It makes it more easier to handle. Let's cure them now. It's cured now. Let's take them out from the mold. Now you can always stop at this point. It's only 2 layers, but here you can see some edges and it's been bowing inside. So it's always better to sand it out and apply one more coat of resin for the better finish of the piece. So let's sand it out and apply one more coat of resin all over it. One layer of resin. Fully cured now. Now it's time to attach them. For the bottom part of the earring, because this mold has one hole here, we need to attach something which dangles. Now I have chosen this charm, but you can make any other resin piece from the mold, smaller one, any smaller piece, and you can use them as a charm. These charms are easily available in Amazon. I will leave the link in description box. If you want, you can check them out. I have used silver charm for this pair of earring, so now I will use golden charms for this one. I will use these. Let's attach them. Beautiful, isn't it? That's all for today, guys. If you like these beautiful earrings, please try them and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. Please share with your friends and family. Bye bye.